Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming your 17-digit consumer ID and the phone number linked to your Indane account. This avoids identity delays. Once done, choose online cancellation via the Indane portal or app for speed, or prepare a signed written request if you prefer a distributor visit. You must attach ID and address proof because they verify ownership and stop future billing. Make sure to note your cylinder deposit amount now so you can track refunds later. You now complete the cancellation form. Online fields or a printed letter should list consumer ID, reason, and closure date. Sign if offline. Once submitted, Indane or the distributor will verify documents and may schedule a technical visit to recover equipment and confirm meter status. You must be present or authorize someone with ID, otherwise the visit will be rescheduled. Keep the service request number handy so you can follow up without repeating details. You finish by getting a closure acknowledgement and a final bill that shows deposit refunds or outstanding dues. This is your proof of termination. Once equipment is collected and NOC issued, expect the deposit refund within about 30 to 45 days. Track the transaction ID. If the process stalls, immediately escalate using the Indane toll-free number and register a grievance with the regional office. Make sure to quote your service request number so they locate your file quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.